Welcome! In front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu, then scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called Restart and tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and reboot your watch. And after a couple of seconds, your watch should reboot into system. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.